Hello, and thanks for stopping by to learn a little bit about more of my project here. So, my topic is post-traumatic stress disorder, also known as PTSD. Uh, PTSD plagues the military veterans. Our veterans who have given our service to our country fill VA hospitals seeking PTSD help. Sadly, though, not all seek help, and many veterans commit suicide. PTSD is not an easy disorder. The veterans that suffer share symptoms of being unable to sleep, flashbacks, sudden acts of violence or anger, unknown emotional outbursts from triggers, and so on. PTSD is a new in the aspect that it's only been recognized since the 1980s, but we still have a lot to learn about it and how to treat this disorder. Now, when I look at the gaps of PTSD, there is no long-term clinical trials out there that show all the aspects of this disorder, and I have to say that it's still quite unknown. There are several alternatives to the there are several alternatives to medication, but there hasn't been a lot of studies looking into those alternatives. We have looked at alternatives in other studies out there on other situations like depression, anxiety, and weight loss, but not necessarily PTSD. I have to say my long-term goal for this study would be to see fewer people that suffer from PTSD, or at least I'd say that's probably not plausible, right? So maybe a better goal would be to treat veterans with PTSD without medication because of the fact that medication is can be very hindering and can cause other aspects with the side effects and so on. Now, when I talk about implementing an alternative plan for health for participants in those that are diagnosed with PTSD, the participants would comply within a study with inside aims that I would put together for the study. And when I look at this study, currently right now, we treat with medication, psychotherapy, exposure therapy, art therapy, healing rituals, group therapy, all kinds of different aspects. And I'd say cognitive behavioral therapy is one that we see quite a bit as well in PTSD treatment. But one thing that we don't see a lot is on the alternative aspect of medication. And so I would like to put a study together specifically looking at alternative aspects. So, looking at taking a group of individuals, I really narrowed this down to I would like to study males that were in the Navy. And what I would like to do is take the individuals that are diagnosed with PTSD. Of course, it would be a small group and half of them would receive the medication that they're already receiving, and the other half would receive a placebo medication. And at that time, we would implement yoga 3 times a week, guided meditation, journaling, vitamins, essential oils, and exercise. And we would see if after 90 days, there was a difference between the group that was receiving the placebo versus the group that was receiving the medication. And the hopes would be, and my hypothesis would be, that the individuals that are not receiving the medication would have a significant um, difference and be able to not be on the medication. So veterans suffering from PTSD can use an alternative health plan, yoga 3 times a week, guided meditation, journaling, vitamins, essential oils, and exercise, and eliminate medication. So they don't have those side effects and things like that. So when I look at this, there's a lot of evidence that alternative approaches help. And furthering this by seeing it will work with veterans would be really good to see if we can help the individuals that are suffering from PTSD. Currently, right now, weight loss programs, smoking cessation programs, depression, anxiety disorders, they all look at studies and have created studies and have had some positive correlations between alternative health approaches versus medication. So when I look at that, and kind of close out with a summary here, my alternative solution to medications exists in an alternative health plan for suffering from veterans suffering from PTSD. So that brings me to my specific aims. My specific aims are that one, the clinical trial is aiming to test the effectiveness of an alternative health plan. Two, the clinical trial will help veterans to eliminate the usage of medication. And three, the trial will broaden the awareness of PTSD. So when I look at this, I look at the fact that innovation is implementing the world of natural and overall health techniques into someone's life is suffering from mental health in hopes that it will help them heal to provide relief. The novel features are getting veterans off medication and using our alternative health protocols to help with the PTS symptoms. The impact will not be uh, in large in the small cohort of veterans that participate, but overall imperative because I think that it will allow for further usage and research for those alternative medications for PTSD individuals. So I think creating and conducting a study into something that I'm passionate about, veterans, and are deepening me as a person, not only as a researcher, but just the project alone helps build an understanding behind PTSD and veterans and ways that we can help them hopefully not suffer. Well, I look forward to your feedback. And again, if you have any questions, please put them under the discussion board. Thank you and have a great day.